Hi, I'm Keara Miller, and I am a first-time homeowner of a new condo in the Lakeview neighborhood of Chicago, and I'm also a wide plank specialist. So when I originally purchased my condo, there were 3 different types of flooring in there. There was an old parquet that was really beat up, there was tile, and an old Berber carpet. I knew how important it was to be able to invest in the quality of a Carlisle floor. So for me, it was really important to choose this because I know firsthand the work that goes into this floor and how it will stand up over time. I selected Haven from the Tranquil collection. I love all the variation in tones on my floor, and it was actually a conversation that I had with my installer, Tom. When we went through some of the boards together and he did a dry lay process for me, I showed him some of my favorite boards that had a lot of that variation within it. The variation to me shows that it's a true, real wood floor. It's from a natural product. Knowing that the floor is not all coming from the exact same tree, I wanted to make sure that I had a true piece of artwork on my floor. So it's really special to me to be able to have a Carlisle floor because even though I chose something that is from a collection offering, I know it's actually custom made for me. Carlisle doesn't stock any of their floors. They're not sitting on a shelf waiting for someone to purchase them. They're truly made one plank at a time for that individual homeowner. And so I know that I have a real hardwood floor truly from nature, and every plank is made specifically for me. And knowing that Carlisle is right in the backyard, it's an American-made product, all from American trees, made right in New Hampshire, shipped moderately locally to my home. Carlisle Wide Plank Floors are great options for homeowners that have pets because it is a really durable floor at the end of the day. So we are using the best raw material that is really, really durable, and we've put some finished process into it as well to help with the daily wear and tear that comes with having animals. I definitely wanted to make sure that I had the hardwood in the kitchen because not only is it softer to the touch, but it's a lot warmer than a tile would be. And I know too that it's really simple cleanup. You can just go right over the floor with a damp mop. People couldn't believe the transformation of my condo and how much larger it looks with the Carlisle floor. So not only did the color really transform the space of just a simple remodel, it looks so much larger, it looks so much more natural. It really brings some of the nature into my city space. So it is the first thing that everybody comments on when they come into my condo.